I am recording this meeting. Yeah. So
Recording now?
Kurt, you can start.
Right now?
Yeah, we're recording right now.
You can just cut it. Or
You
whatever
can you edit it?
Yes, of course I can.
Okay. So I don't know. Okay. So Luis, as I'm talking about what I'm saying, can you kind of move the job layout to where I'm talking so that way you can kind of see it better?
Yeah, I think that you can move it. Let me check how. How can you do it? You can do it. Screen share, chat, cameraman, control room.
Jace,
So-
did you write down what you're gonna say, or you're just gonna kind of just talk?
No, I'm just going to talk about 6 through 9
Okay.
and where we put them, the size. I mean, it would be a minute or two, 2 minutes, 3.
Okay.
To start, we just need to say that this is the proposal for the coal-fired power facility.
Do you want to start then? I don't have that information in front of me, and then you can just kind of turn it over to me, and then I can turn it over to Luis.
That works.
I don't know how to give the control of this. So maybe you can speak about your part and I can show you your presentation.
Yeah, if you just kind of want to manipulate the screen as we're talking that way, like different areas, maybe zoom up on an area or something. So.
Yeah, I can manipulate for you.
Okay.
So Chase.
You guys are ready to just start?
Yeah, we already started.
Yeah, you can edit all this out, right, Luis?
Yeah, we need to do that.
Okay.
Okay, I'll go ahead and start. All right, so this is our presentation on our job site layout for the coal-fired power facility. Well, we're just going to run through where we placed items on the project and how we're going to prepare the land so that we can efficiently use the resources that we have and be productive with our time and our materials. So I'll go ahead and start off by sharing. If you look at the orange writing on the screen, that's our layout, our material layout for a whole bunch of items. We have 1.25 acres for our structural steel requirements. And then we have another 2 acres for our boiler components, where they're going to be laid. And then if you look down a little bit, there's a little red box. It's a ½ an acre for prefabrication. We put that right where the boiler building's going to be. That way, once the boiler is fabbed, we can just put it right where it's supposed to go. And up in the orange writing again, we have our scrubber component lay down. It's another 2 acres. And then next to that, there's also the filter components, which is a 1 acre plot of land. The reason we put those all together because that's where all of our material and layout's going to be. And we tried to get that as close as possible where we're going to be placing the buildings. Construction. That way, once we've got them put together or we need to move the material, we can just put them right down to where you'll notice they're located on the layout and they're labeled there. And then the stack's that little circle there above the filter. That's where it's going to get placed. And in red, you'll notice that those prefabricated flanges are going to be laid out right next to the structural steel requirement, and those will just go right up. So After that, you'll notice the red lines on our layout. Those are our construction roads. They go from the parking, and then you'll notice there's some already in there around the plant. And then there's going to be a red line around the entire project. That's going to be our security fencing. And then you'll notice a few blue spots, one in the office, one down by the coal truck unload, and then there's going to be another blue spot down by the office. Those are just spread out. That's our potable water, wash water, drinking water. That way we can have that around the entire job layout because it is such a big site. We'll turn it over to Kurt.
Okay. Thanks, Chase. So on the perimeter of the job site, that just on the outside of the security fence, you'll notice there's a blue line, and that's for us to comply with our SWIP regulations. It's a silt fence that goes around the entire job site, perimeter of the job site. Notice there's 3 areas, 3 different locations on the job site that are compressed air. And the reason why we have 3 in those kind of locations is so that the craft personnel aren't running their airlines through the whole job site, just to kind of keep it clean and organized and safe. We also have waste dumpsters. They're indicated by the red triangle. They're spread throughout the site to encourage cleanup from the subs and make it convenient for everyone to have the trash disposal close to them. And if you look up in the notes at the top of the job site layout, it indicates that the pickup will be at least twice a week. To accommodate the laydown for the big equipment, we put the concrete washout and the temp fuel, along with the construction water and oxyacetylene storage. We put that towards the back of the job site. As you can see, parking is indicated in the back corner. It's close to the office and the craft change facility and also the lavatories. And if you notice on the way out of the job site, we also have mud and debris prevention with a cattle guard to kind of clean off the trucks and other vehicles when they leave the job site. I'll turn the time over to Luis.
Thank you. Thank you, Kurt. Well, we have in the top part of our presentation, we have the construction office. It's a big facility because we have a lot of workers and workers in our project. Yeah, and near to the construction office, we have the craft change facility and the laboratories. They need to be very near because workers need to change their clothes. Of course, as Kurt already said, the parking lot it's very near to the construction office, and we have the tool storage in this part of the project because all the workers need to be near of this facility to get their tools, the power tools and whatever they need to perform their job. Yeah, that is the other facilities that we need to explain. Yeah. Okay. And that's it. We don't know what more we need to do with this assignment. Yeah.
Sweet. Good job, guys.
Yeah. Well, I need to. Yeah, I will edit this video, and then I will submit this I will send to you the link, Kurt. Yeah, I will send to you. Yeah. Maybe if you want to do another things, we need to or to add another things. I understand that we need to make a presentation. Yeah. So maybe
that was our presentation. We just turned that in.
Yeah. No, I was thinking in a PowerPoint presentation. Yeah.
Oh.
No, not this. But I think that it's very good. Yeah. We explained what we already did, and we need to edit this video. That's the only thing that we need to do. So
that screencast of the draft of your layout. Each team member must participate, and I mean, we can attach other stuff if you wanted to put that video. Well, it says screencast, so I think that's fine. The only other thing I think we could attach is if you want to attach your diagram with all of the employees that are going to be working on the project.
Yeah, the Gantt chart.
Yeah, you could do that too.
Yeah.
I don't think it needs to be a PowerPoint.
Yeah, it doesn't need to be a PowerPoint.
That's for the campus, on-campus class.
Yeah, I understand. But I understand that a screencast only allows 5 minutes of video. Is that correct?
I'm not sure.
But
I don't know.
I believe that we can use YouTube as well. The media is not important. The video is the important thing. Yeah. Well, I will edit this video, and maybe I can share. I will send to you this video as a file, and maybe you can submit as a screencast video. But I believe that YouTube could work. Yeah, and yeah, because we need to make a 10 minutes video.
Yeah, Luis, if you just edit it and then post it on your YouTube account and then email him or submit a link to that YouTube, that should be, I think that should be enough for what he's looking for.
Very good. I will do that.
Okay, so you'll submit it then?
Yeah.
Okay.
So yeah, just submit the video, and then if you'll submit the layout for us all too, I guess. So, and then tomorrow sometime or tonight we'll each do our individual paper.
Yeah.
Yeah. That's individual assignment. Yeah. Everyone has to submit an individual paper.
Yeah.
Okay. He wants a video, and Chase, he wants a PDF file with the video of our layout as well.
Yes. Yeah. So the group team leader is going to submit a PDF of this layout, the final one here, along with a link to the video.
Okay.
It says submit them separate, or you can put the link on the layout if you want to. Right here it says the leader will submit this part of the assignment of the project. Make sure it includes the names of all group members, which we have on the top of the layout. And then you can say, you must submit all files in PDF form. You must also provide a link to your recorded presentation or attach the recording of the presentation on the drawings.
So so Luis, whatever's easier for you. If you want to put the link on the layout or submit 2 items, then it's up to you.
Yeah, I will send you a link with the edited.
Okay. When do you think you'll submit it?
Oh well, yeah. I need to do this work tonight. So I think that tomorrow will be. I will send to you the video.
Okay, because I think we have tomorrow until like 10 o'clock Idaho time.
Yeah, 10 o'clock, 10 a.m., 10 p.m.
10 p.m.
Ah, yeah. But the team leader need to submit all the things, right?
Just those 2.
Yeah, so you'll submit the presentation we just did, and you'll submit a PDF of our layout.
Yeah, I need to submit the PDF as well.
Yeah, don't forget
Yeah.
that. The DACA's points if you don't have that.
Yeah, but the PDF will be made. Who will do that PDF?
The PDF's already done.
Oh yeah. The PDF. This job site layout. This
Yeah,
is
the one that email. Yeah, the one we just talked over. You have it.
Oh yeah. Okay. Don't worry. Yeah. I would like to send to you the video first. First submit the video to the class. So I would like to to receive some comments about the video.
Okay, yeah, email to Chase and I. We'll listen to it and then we'll give you thumbs up if it's good, and then you can submit it with the PDF.
Okay. Okay. All right.
Thanks, Luis.
Yeah. Okay. Thanks for you.
Okay.
Bye.
Yeah, we'll talk to you guys later.
Yeah, talk to you soon. See ya.
Bye. Bye.